Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Boxers or Bust. If you guys saw my Instagram, and I'm pretty sure I posted on YouTube, I got a car. I got my backup car. It's a 2010 STI. Obviously looks similar like this girl. But if you guys saw the pictures, there's a lot of work to do. The guy like completely tore the engine down. I mean, not completely, but there's a lot of stuff missing. I mean, the up pipe and the turbo just like thrown into the engine bay. And then the BOV is missing. The fuel pressure regulator is missing. I saw he has aftermarket fuel lines, fuel rails, and TGVs. So I know all those are deleted. I'm just praying that the transmission's in the car. Because I see like the shifter. I don't know if it's a short shifter. It probably is a short shifter, like OEM STI one. Anyway, I see the shifter in there. There's no knob. So he probably had like aftermarket knob or whatever on it. The dash molding for the radios coming out. So he probably had like the WRX daily whatchamacallit, dash in there, like the Apple and Android dash, whatever. And there's no hood, which is obvious. No hood, no intake. Which that's been a pain in the ass. I already been looking on eBay for a hood. I gotta talk to a acquaintance I know up in Athens, Alabama. Probably some of you guys know him. He owns like a big Subaru junkyard up there and a tuning shop and a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna talk to him up there, see if he has a 08 through sorry, my arm's getting tired. 08 through 14 STI hood. Anyway, so I just want to update you guys on that and do actual video on it. It's going to be a small, quick video. I am going to get that. Oh my gosh, let me just open the car. I'm stupid. Gonna try to fix this rear view mirror. There's this problem with the screws, but they're not screwing in that well. So yeah, we're gonna try to fix that today. So I realize I'm gonna hold off on screwing in these lines completely because they're not all the way screwed in or tightened down, because I still need to like measure them out to the new engine bay that's coming in. So I'm gonna hold everything off on all this. I mean, I'll try to find some. Make sure I don't break anything. Yeah, make sure I don't break these pigtails or whatever. I'll find some stuff to get done. I still haven't called iWire about this Cosworth fuel sensor. I need to figure this out because, like I said in my last video, the problem is like I plug this into the O2 sensor, the rear O2, but what does the OEM sensor plug into? I thought there's supposed to be like a double one, like right here. You plug both of them in. So hopefully I don't have to send that back. And they charge me an extra $100 just for a miscommunication. So I guess I can work on this inlet install a little bit more. I got all that mocked up like showed you last time. Oh my gosh, there's stuff everywhere now. Oh, get back here. Sorry guys. Let's look around here, see what else I can dig into. That reminds me, I need Y pipe bolts. Can do that. I guess I can get the BOV bolts as well. Get all that mocked up. Oh my goodness. I'll delete that out. Oh yeah, I need to get the up pipe all mocked up. Probably that turbo oil line all mocked up. I can probably maybe mark it up to the up pipe. Wastegate, yes. Wastegate, up pipe, inlet, Y pipe, Y pipe slash top mounted intercooler and BOV. I guess I gotta figure out the manifold, like all the hoses I need, which, I mean, let's bring it over here and look at it. So we got the left side, right side with the FPR on this side, and yeah, I gotta look up where all of this stuff goes. Like I said, this is the first time working on EJ engines. It was all new to me. This guy, the cop sensor, there we go. Open. Actually, you would be like up here. You would be more down there. You going down there, and then this gets locked up right there. Yeah, try to put another screw in there. Yeah, that's another thing I gotta figure out. I gotta figure out where these flex fuel lines are gonna go. One's supposed to go to the FPR right here, I'm pretty sure. And the other, I think, is supposed to go to the direct line or something. I might be like a YN thing. Oh, that's what that is. That's not a boost controller. That's, hey, yay! Great news, guys. I found an extra evap solenoid. So I can, let's see if we can swap this real quick. With all the lines on it too. That's good news. Because the plan was cap this stuff off anyway. We don't need that one at all. Throttle body. Not sure what this one goes to. It's fuel something. I'll have to watch more media videos. Yeah, let's get this 10mm. Sorry, everywhere, guys. I just like jumped straight into this video just because I wanted to get a video done. I'm not sure if my other one uploaded last night. I'm using the new Adobe Premiere Pro, recommended, of course, by Media. And so I was trying that out and is having a hard time exporting to YouTube. So I gotta double check that. Where is my screw it? Maybe it's 12. yeah, so I'm not gonna keep it silent. I can start some music, but I think I'm definitely gonna have to do some aftermarket stuff with the new car coming in. Since it has the fuel rails, the fuel lines, probably has injectors, has that like TGV delete. So I mean, I might as well. I'm already talking to a guy that has a radium FPR in New York, and it's like just this though. I mean, everything's connected, so I mean, I would have to fish out like some lines and whatever, or find some lines, get like a hardware kit from Radium shipped to me or something, but. But yeah, so I'm probably just going to get an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator, slap that in there. And then it's it's gonna have to be stock top-mounted intercooler. It looks like a stock top-mounted intercooler that it has in there. I'm not sure though. Let's see what else. Obviously turbo. I'm probably. I'm gonna have to sell this turbo now. I'm gonna see how bad a shape that turbo's in, but I may have to buy a stock turbo and stick it in this one. Which I mean, a stock, 2014 STI turbo is only gonna be like $300-400. So obviously, here let me switch to the car. All right, obviously, what I'm gonna take out of this car, AOS. I'm gonna take out coilovers, tires, wheels, headlights, because the headlights are horrible on that one. So I gotta slap these old ones back on. I might need a new bumper for that new one because he has it all like cut up and the fog lights are sticking out and stuff. So I gotta figure that out. Obviously hood. Hopefully transmission's good. So since I'm swapping the engines, I'm gonna get probably like a stage 2, if not like a stage, probably stage 2 clutch for my new STI. And then get the Excetti OEM clutch for this new one, just so it's like new good for the owner. So let's see what else. Oh my hell! I swear if that would have happened, I would have been so pissed off. Anyway, all right, let's get some lights on here and see if everything matches up, which it should. Maybe that's just like the hardware. I mean, it doesn't match up exactly. Pretty close. Take this off, make sure these. It fits right in there, so. Let's see if we can swap these solenoids. Yeah, I thought I was ignorant and I thought this was a boost controller this whole time. Which I guess we can try the mock-up next time too. So I mean, hopefully I can knock up. No comment. Hopefully we can mock up. Do a couple of mock-up videos this weekend. I definitely want to get the axle seals fixed and that stop leaking, so I can change the transmission fluid. And then get the one of the left rear wheel studs removed and replaced with the extended one. So all my spacer bolts are on there. And then probably oil, I'll probably do an oil change this weekend too, because I'm at like 2,700. All right, sorry guys, I'm back. Coughing up a storm there. All right, let's get the rest of this tape off. And I'm gonna turn the car on, which we'll open up like a kid, because that'll make the wife super pissed. Alright, so this is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna put on time lapse, guys. Wow guys, I just time lapsed that whole thing. So we got her installed, started her up, she seems fine. Maybe get you guys a sound clip, actually hear it this time. I was saying I always smell the exhaust smoke, make sure it's not burning oil or coolant. I'm crazy though, so sweet, man. I fixed that, and I fixed that. Man, I'm not paranoid anymore. Well, besides these stupid heat shields on the brake calipers, they keep, gosh, it's so annoying. Keep scratching every time I hit a bump. I tried to bend them, but I have the white line roll center kit, and I'm pretty sure it's bumping into them and making them scratch the brake disc. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. So I did soften the dampening up on both sides today, and that helped a lot. Like the ride seemed smoother. So let's see if there's any check engine light. No check engine light, baby. Let's go. It worked. Sweet. Direct replacement. All right, guys. Switch it back here. Yeah, it's a weird turn of events in the video, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, that's all I got for you guys. Let me turn off the car here. There we go. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Make sure to keep following. I'll keep you guys updated on that STI coming in. I got the funds cleared for the loan today. And then, so hopefully I'll be getting the funds tomorrow, because if not, I'll be charged like a $25 a day storing fee at the Copart auction place in Florida. And so the guy wants to get the money, the broker in Atlanta wants to get the money for me tomorrow so he can dispatch his guy to go pick it up over the weekend. So hopefully by Monday or Tuesday, I'll have the car in here. Obviously I'll record all that, record the whole process of car coming in, backing it up in this. I cleared it out, but now I got like, now we got like this toilet sinks, and we just redid floors and we got new ones. So got all that, got some more crap boxes. And clear out, I need to clear, like, get rid of these boxes from somebody. I just need to clear like all this stuff out again to make more space on this side. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment on this video, and we'll see you guys next time.